Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got a whole lot of scrap wood, some leftover pipes and plumbing parts and some electrical parts that I'm going to put all together to try and form my own homemade lamp. Let's see how this goes. So my plan is to take the tap here and screw on a whole lot of plumbing parts and connect them together to make a sort of stand and like have a pipe somewhere that connects the whole thing, and that will be connected to the base, which would probably be made out of wood, and then have the light bulb coming out of the tap somewhere over here, whether it can be imagined as a droplet or I don't know. So I have arranged all these plumbing parts in a sequence that I think could work, and I've got a shower head over here that's attached to the end of the tap, and it can move around, which is pretty cool. And I've got this light in its socket over here. I'm hoping this socket can then fit inside this shower head somehow, and then the light comes out eventually like that. Now that I have the basic design for the lamp, it's time to start with some electrical to make sure it's a working lamp. I've now got my plug and the end of its cable that I'm going to attach into the switch here. I'm now starting with my wooden base. This is the design I've come up with. I've got a hexagonal kind of shape where I'm going to have two planks over here, two main planks placed over there and cut like that, and another one over there cut the other way like that, and then planks placed vertically around the edges, and they'll be cut in half to reduce the height of them, and then the pipe will come through there. My next step now is to drill some holes into the space. I'm going to have the pipe that's going to go through to here, so I need a hole for it to go into there, and then I'm going to need a hole coming through from the side over here that I'm going to drill through this side, this one and this one here, so the electrical can come from the side underneath and through the wood to the pipe that's coming out there. It's now time to glue and screw everything together. So I'm going to glue these two main pieces together and then screw on the outside pieces. And now I have my base, it's all glued and screwed, and I'm just going to be varnishing it with some olive oil. Our base is complete, and now I just need to build from the bottom up. I just feed this cord through here, which is going to go through the pipe. So I've got my pipe here that I've hammered a fitting onto either end of the pipe, and that's just going to go and screw into this fitting over here. Now I'm just going to take each fitting through the wire and screw it onto the plumbing fitting on top of here. So my dad and I have made it this nice small light socket that can fit nice and easily inside this shower head over here. I'm now mixing some epoxy so I can glue this light socket into the shower head and glue the shower head onto the tap. I fed this wire over here from the light socket through the shower head and through the tap, and now I'm going to stick the tap and the shower head together. Okay, this is all glued together now. I actually need to connect this wire to this wire over here. Okay, so I'm putting some shrink wrap over these joined wires here, and then I'm going to heat it up and it'll insulate these wires. Okay, so the final step now is to just screw this on. And now all we can do is plug it in and turn it on and see if it works. Okay, so I've plugged it up. This is the moment of truth. It works! Guys for watching. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe. Catch you next time.